One of the best ways to increase the quality of your videos is changing the lens. That right there. And today we're going to take a quick look at this one right here. This is a Sigma 16F 1.4. And again, we're just going to do a quick unboxing. Now I'm going to tell you I've had this lens for over a week already, and I'm very, very pleased to use it here in my studio, in my office. I will do some testing when I'm outside and give you some other footage as well in a later video. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified. Today we're just going to do an unboxing, and I'm going to show you what comes in there. We're just going to do a quick test right here in my studio. I'm going to put the kit lens so you can see how it compares to this right here. But I'm going to tell you, first of all, check out the autofocus right here. You see this? See how it blurs everything in the back? And look how nice that look, right? Really, really cool. Just a quick test. Boom, back in there to me. So we switch into this camera right here, and this is the different lens. This is actually the kit lens. But you can see this. It comes in a box like this, and it's a Sigma 16mm 1.4. And obviously it's a prime lens, so this is kind of like the frames that you're gonna have, which I actually like it. I think it works perfect for this kind of videos. All right, so when you open it up, it's gonna come just like this. And again, I've been using this for a while, but you do have this little thing right here where the lens is gonna sit, and obviously it's gonna be nicely wrapped with a plastic like this. It's gonna have a ton of paperwork, as you can see right here. Some of the information, obviously. It's gonna have the hood, which you see right here, and it's also gonna have the lens is going to have the cap that you're going to be able to protect that lens. And then obviously we're going to have the lens, which you see right here, and we're about to switch. Okay, so here's a quick look at the lens right here. And I'm going to tell you one thing that I would tell you right now is that it is a little bit heavier compared to the kit lens that I have in this camera, which is a Sony a5100. I mean, if you put it side by side, you can see the difference, right? This thing is way smaller compared to this, and this thing is significantly lighted when it comes to this. So you can see right there the difference. Again, really bigger and really heavier as well. So I'm just gonna give you a quick look here and give you some of the specs as we do this. So again, it's gonna be a Sigma. The price on this lens is really fantastic for what you get. You get a really good lens, 16 mil. So that's gonna be the frame that you're gonna be, and it's gonna be compatible with Sony cameras that are the E mount. So if you have an E mount, obviously you're gonna be able to utilize this, right? So you can see it right there. That's kind of like the glass, giving you a good look into that. Let me protect my glass right here. Obviously it's going to work for recording video. It's going to work with photography as well. It's going to have a large aperture of 1.4, so essentially it's going to allow you to get that bokeh that a lot of people like, right? Like you could blur the background pretty good, and having a 1.4 aperture is going to be really good for low light, so something to consider as well. And again, keep in mind that being compatible with the Sony E mounts, this lens could work in so many cameras. There's many great cameras here in the market that you could utilize this lens with. This is the kit lens, which is not bad. I mean, it does the job, but obviously we're about to increase the performance here. But this is kind of what you can expect to get out of that lens, and you can still do some of the little things like this. You know, you see a little bit of background and things like that. Like these cameras are great with the autofocus, and the quality of these cameras are great, but this is kind of what you have. Let's go ahead and step it up. And here is the lens, and I'm going to tell you, it's so much clearer. It's so much better. Like you could really see me very, very clear. A little bit of blurry in the background, not crazy much, but you could see how nice it looks. It's kind of focused on me. And again, just to show you the autofocus right here, if I go like this, look how blurry does it get right there. Really, really nice. And then it comes back to me right there, right? So again, really, really nice. I love it. I think that is a great upgrade to the camera because it just looks so much better, and it brings it up a notch. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned because we got more testing coming up. We'll see you in the next one.